The star holds the 17th position in the Major Arcana. This luminous card connects numerologically to strength, card V8, as 17 reduces to 8, 1, 7, 8, suggesting an elevated conscious awareness that allows energy to flow naturally, moving beyond the controlled instincts depicted in strength. Associated with Aquarius and the element of air, the star blends insight and idealism, reflecting the social conscience often attributed to Aquarians. In the traditional Rider-Waite tarot, the star presents a serene night scene, dominated by a large, radiant central star, surrounded by 7 smaller, 8-pointed stars. This central star, identified by A.E. Waite as the flamboyant star or seal of Solomon from Freemasonry, typically has 6 points but appears with 8 on this card, suggesting layers of meaning beyond its traditional symbolism. Some interpret it as representing Sirius or Venus. The 8 points of each star symbolize renewal, reinforcing the card's themes of hope and regeneration. Below this celestial display kneels a nude woman at the water's edge, pouring liquid from 2 ewers. Her left knee rests on land with her right foot in water, creating balance between the physical and emotional realms. Her nakedness represents purity and authenticity, unburdened by pretense or artifice. With one vessel, she pours water onto the earth, healing the past. With the other, she replenishes a pool, nurturing the present and future. This continuous pouring symbolizes the circulation of the water of life, communicating celestial essence to the earthly realm. The landscape around her brims with life and potential. In the background stands a tree where an ibis perches, recalling the Egyptian symbol of wisdom and divine knowledge. The rising ground behind the woman and the flourishing greenery with blossoming flowers in the foreground represent growth, potential, and abundance. These elements collectively embody the 4 classical elements: earth in the land, air in the bird, water in the pool, and fire suggested by the brilliant yellow star. The Hebrew letter associated with the star is tzadi, meaning fishhook, symbolizing hope and the drawing up of spiritual nourishment. On the Tree of Life, this card occupies the 18th pathway between Yesod, representing magic and lunar forces, and Netzach, embodying passion and instinct, suggesting the star combines magical intuition with natural desires. Its connection to the higher heart chakra emphasizes universal love and compassion, extending beyond personal relationship. In the Major Arcana sequence, the star follows the tower and precedes the moon, creating a powerful narrative arc. After the destruction and chaos of the tower, the star appears as a beacon of hope and renewal, promising that new growth emerges from cleared ground. The maiden and her stars signify the possibility of rebuilding with greater wisdom and authenticity. This card establishes our guidance and true path before. The moon reveals the hidden fears and doubts accompanying transformation. When the star appears upright in a reading, it heralds a period of inspiration and optimism after upheaval. The card suggests that unseen forces work in your favour, encouraging faith in positive outcomes yet to unfold. As the traditional card of the healer and astrologer, the star brings wholeness after emotional storms. It represents the calm clarity that follows turmoil, allowing authentic guidance to emerge. For practical matters, the star carries specific meanings in different life areas. Regarding home, it sparks inspiration to create beauty and may suggest acquiring a dream dwelling. In relationships, the star indicates soul connections and harmonious partnerships guided by shared aspirations. For career and finances, this card brings luck and recognition, suggesting that patient work toward meaningful goals yields rewards. Hidden talents may surface, or entrepreneurial ventures may flourish under its influence. The star embodies the pure essence of truth, unveiled in eternal beauty, pouring its priceless gifts onto the waters of the soul. In Kabbalistic tradition, the figure represents the Great Mother in Bina, supernal understanding, communicating divine wisdom to the lower spheres in measures they can receive. The card's energy resonates through several minor arcana cards, including the Three of Pentacles, creativity, Six of Cups, harmony, Nine of Cups, wishes fulfilled, and Ace of Wands, inspiration. The star's wisdom message reminds us to stay inspired, for dreams can manifest. This card teaches that after periods of destruction and clearing away falsehoods, we connect more directly with our authentic purpose and cosmic guidance. The star encourages us to remain receptive to divine inspiration, trust the unfolding process of renewal, and recognize that hope serves as comfort and a practical navigation tool during our darkest hours. Through openness and faith, we align with universal energies that illuminate our path forward with beauty, purpose, and the promise of fulfillment. E.